Welcome to my channel. Gaming Computer. Processor, CPU. The CPU is the brain of your computer. For gaming, you'll want a powerful processor that can handle complex calculations and multitasking. Graphics card, GPU. The GPU is crucial for rendering graphics in games. High-end GPUs from NVIDIA or AMD are recommended for the best gaming experience, especially if you're interested in VR or 4K gaming. Memory, RAM. At least 16 gigabytes of RAM is recommended for gaming to ensure smooth performance and the ability to run multiple applications simultaneously. Storage. A combination of SSD and HDD is ideal. An SSD will significantly improve load times and system responsiveness, while an HDD can provide additional storage for games and media. Motherboard. Choose a motherboard that supports your CPU and GPU and has enough slots for future upgrades. Power supply unit. Ensure your PSU can handle the power requirements of your components. Cooling system. Proper cooling is essential to maintain performance and prolong the lifespan of your components. Pre-built systems. If you're not comfortable building your own PC, pre-built systems from companies like IBUVI, or XIDX offer convenience and reliability. Custom builds. Building your own PC allows for greater customization and can be more cost-effective. Additional setup considerations. Monitor. Choose a monitor that complements your GPU's capabilities. Consider factors like resolution, refresh rate, and response time for the best gaming experience. Peripherals. Invest in a good quality keyboard, mouse, and headset. These peripherals can enhance your gaming experience and comfort. Desk and chair. A comfortable and ergonomic setup is important for long gaming sessions. Consider a desk with enough space for your equipment and a chair that provides good back support. Thanks for watching.